How to find square root of 1600 by long division method. We need to make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is our first pair, this is our second pair. Consider this second pair. Okay, you have to take here a number whose square will be equal to 16 or nearest to 16. If you take here 4, then 4 square equal to 16, right? That is equal. So this 4 must come to the quotient side also. 4 times 4, 16. Subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down the next pair. You have placed the digit 4, so same digits will come under this divisor. You need to add 4 plus 4, 8. Now you have to take here a digit that must come here, and if you multiply this and this, you will get this equal to this or nearest to this. So 8 times this. So 0 0 means 0, right? So if you take here 0, look, 0 0 times 80, 0 times 80, 0. So 0 times 80, 0. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. We have placed the digit 0 here, so 0 will come here and you need to add. So 80. The double of 40 is 80. So our answer 40 is correct. So the square root of 1600 by long division method is 40.